Yeah. Oh my gosh, Alina, you gotta edit. You gotta edit.
I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I turned it on after.
Oh no, I'm gonna go in the parking lot. I know, isn't it nice? You know why? Because everybody's with their families. I'm gonna go straight to the gazebo.
Move your head.
This is a red thing. I can't.
Every time she gets a light,
That's okay. I got a good video on here.
Yeah, but there's a red thing on here.
Bobby, she's
Like in
sleeping.
the window.
People live upstairs.
Yeah, good.
Oh, we're gonna get a picture of it. I like the snowman too. Mama Mia. I'll take a picture of him too. How about that?
Can't we go on this?
Oh, we can't really get a good picture of it.
I got a good video.
Oh, great.
I can mail you a copy.
So. What I just did.
Where is the Y button?